guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your saved game files and configuration files for The Outer Worlds 2 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Now open your username folder. That's usually the one with your Windows account name. Next, open the Saved Games folder. Inside, open the folder named The Outer Worlds 2. Here you'll find all your saved game files. These are your game progress backups. Go back to your username folder. Now you'll need to open the App Data folder. Tip: if you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top of the window. Then select Show and click on Hidden Items to make it visible. Once App Data appears, open it. Then go to the local folder. Open the folder named Arkansas. This is the internal name used by the game. Open the Saved folder. Next, open the Config folder. Inside, open the Windows folder. Double-click the file called GameUserSettings.ini or GameUserSettings. This file contains your graphics, display, and performance configurations for The Outer Worlds 2. You can edit this file using Notepad if you need to tweak settings manually. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover more tutorials like this.